talking about Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishnan was the greatest scholar and philosopher. He was a brilliant student. He awarded Bharata Ratna by India government. He was the first Vice President of India. He was the second President of India. His life is inspired to us. Thank you.
My name is Tilakatanga. I am studying in second standard. I am talking about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great Indian teacher, philosopher and leader. And he was born on September 5, 1888 in Tamil Nadu. He loved learning and teaching and became professor at a young age. He believed in the power of the knowledge. He was second President of India in 1962. We all celebrate Teachers' Day on his birthday, September 5th. He awarded Bharata Ratna by the Indian government. Thank you.